What is this for?
Relax your arm.
What the hell was that?
Ow, man!
What the hell was that
Relax your arm.
for?
Relax your arm.
That is going on TV right there.
Sir, can you wait over there, please?
I'm not allowed to wait here.
Yo, I need stitches.
Yep, you can watch this. That's fine. But don't interfere while I'm trying to do my job.
It went through my tooth, man. Yo, I'm bleeding.
Take a seat. Have a seat rest.
Why did you punch me?
Because you was resisting.
I did not resist.
I was trying to put handcuffs on you.
No,
and you pulled your arm away.
I can't. I don't.
I told you
I don't
not
bend
to
that
resist.
way. I don't bend that way. Yo, man. Why are you punching the face?
You were resisting your
Sir, I did not resist. I did not. I can't move. I can't move all the way that way.
We had your hands there
Come
and you were
on.
pulling away. That's not fair.
Yeah, because I get.
Just relax right now.
It went right through my chin, man.
What's that?
It went right through my chin.
So you really had ID?
I was just trying to get home as quickly as possible.
You really had ID.
And you're not allowed to just go through my pockets and stuff. You're not allowed to do that. This is gonna be fun, right?
I can't
Have
see
you
this
ever
big
seen
legal.
it like
No. They can't punch someone in the head for like not.
Do you mind standing
No,
back there for us?
I'm allowed to stand
Thank you
here.
very
You guys have
Yes.
badge numbers?
Yes.
What are they? 2820? 2820 in your name?
28. That's all you
And
need.
what about this guy? You know this?
Provided with
Can I get some ice?
we don't carry ice in our cars.
Good country from the face.
Don't carry ice. Just listen.
Do not touch me anymore?
Don't do that.
Do not touch me.
Yeah.
Yeah, the looking already happened. Don't touch me.
Relax. Basically,
I was just going home.
It's kind of hard for him to relax when he just gets punched in the head for like.
thank you for your
I've
comments,
never
sir.
been
We really
punched.
appreciate it.
I've
If you don't
never
mind
been
just staying
punched in
where
the
you are.
face
Thank you.
before. Thanks a lot, man.